What do I do with my raised hands after making dua, since I shouldn't kiss and rub my face with them? Do I make dua and lower them instantly? It would be helpful if a short dua demo, start to finish, is shown in the video. That's very easy. Raising the hands is like this. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Oh Allah, forgive all those watching this. Oh Allah, increase in their provision, increase in their health, increase in their tranquility and peace of mind, and give them eternal happiness in this life and the hereafter. وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد. That's it. Do I rub my face? Do I rub my eyes? Do I take a shower and scrub my back? No need to any of this, because none of it is from the Sunnah, and Allah knows best. Now,